Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fundamental skill for any CAD designer working in Fusion 360, scaling your models. Whether you're adjusting a prototype for accurate printing or need to resize a component to fit perfectly into a larger assembly, knowing how to use the scale tool is essential. If you find this guide helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert design tips. Let's get right into the process. To start, make sure you have your model workspace open and your project loaded. The first step is to navigate to the Modify menu located in the top toolbar. From there, move down the list and click on Scale, which will open the Scale dialog box. Now, you need to select the entity you wish to modify. Click on the body, component, or sketch that you need resized. Once selected, look at the dialog box to choose your scale type. If you want to maintain the proportions of your model, keep Uniform selected, as this scales the object equally in all directions. If your project requires stretching or compressing in specific dimensions, select Non-Uniform. This option allows you to set independent factors for the X, Y, and Z axes. Next, you need to define your base point. This is the origin point from where the scaling will originate. Click any specific point on your model to set this anchor. Now we reach the most critical part, which is entering your scale factor. Entering 1 keeps the object at its original size. If you type 2, the model will double in size, and if you type 0.5, it will shrink to half its original dimensions. You can be as precise as you need with these inputs. After you have verified your settings, simply click OK, and you will see the model instantly resize based on your criteria. It is a quick and efficient way to manipulate your designs without needing to redraw sketches from scratch. Always remember to check your assembly constraints afterward to ensure everything still fits together correctly. If you have been struggling with resizing or just wanted to perfect your workflow, I hope this quick walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming Fusion 360 deep dives. Thanks for watching and happy designing.